What's up, world? It's your host, your coach, your teacher, mrGoetz, mrGoetz, Philip Goetz, here looking at the anchor page for Mustang Radio. There is a new podcast, Four Dudes, episode 1, and the goal today is to make a flyer to advertise this show. Show's done, good, ready to go.
But I had to give it away, and I don't really like mrGoetz. What?
Nice. Made a QR code. I took this right here on a Mac, Command-C to copy, Command-C to highlight it, Command-C to copy, and then over here did Command-V to paste, and it created a QR code for me. I saved the QR code to the desktop, and our next goal is going to be to go to Canva to make a flyer. Going to go to Canva to make a flyer. I'm going to start by going to Clever. I'm going to log into the portal, log into Clever. Clever is a SSO, single SSSO, single sign-on, SSO, single sign-on. And I'm logged in here, Manor High School. Always want to see if you see your name at the top to see if you're logged into something. So I'm logged in, it says Manor Senior High School, very nice. I am looking for Canva. I don't see it. I can search for it right here, Canva. It has link and single sign-on. I don't know. I'm just going to click on this one here, and it takes me to Canva. And is this me? It says Manor ISD. It says create a design. Go up here. Yep. It says Philip Goetz right up here. Very nice. And I am going to go to templates because I am making a flyer. Flyer, just like that. And this is, I don't know. I mean, landscape is wide. Haven't seen many landscape flyers around campus. Maybe I'll do a landscape flyer here. All these different ones here, some you pay for, some are free. Definitely not going to do anything had to pay for. I love this one right here. I'm going to double click on it. I am going to say new podcast out now. New podcast out now. Right here, Four Dudes. Right here, only on Mustang Radio. Only on Mustang Radio. I don't like what I just did because I don't know what I just did. Oh, I can redo that. All right, radio, like this. Like this. Okay, click off it. Maybe try to move the thing. New podcast out now. Four Dudes, only on Mustang Radio. And then I'm going to do, and I will provide this to you in Google Classroom, the QR code. I'm going to go over and try to import an element. I'm going to have a QR code from before that I imported. Oh, look at this. Yes. Have some extra stuff sitting here. So I'll provide this to you as well because this is amazingness, because yes, we are going to listen on Spotify. Love it, love it. Anchor was acquired by Spotify, so we can listen on Spotify right there. Gosh, that's gigantic. I'm just trying to cover this cloud. Maybe I can just take this cloud away. I'm going to take your clouds away. It's mrGoetz, but we want it to rain, so bring the clouds back. Command-C to copy, Command-V to paste, bringing the clouds back. Look at me go here. Now, I need to bring that QR code. I'm going to say upload, and then I'm going to upload files. And I have saved, and I'll provide this to you as well, Four Dudes, Episode 1, QR code, PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphic. I'm going to take this right here and going to put it in the cloud. No, we're not going to put it in the cloud. I'm going to put it over here. And then let's get some resizing going on. Probably want to keep this nice and big here. This is the main point of it. New podcast out now, Four Dudes, only on Mustang Radio, just like that. Wonderfulness. If we have anything else to make this a little more official, Let's go with, yep, we got this right here, but can I move it to, okay, no, it's not going to fit in there. Okay, so we have that right there. Gonna make it look like NASCAR here, putting a whole bunch of stuff in here. Let's go ahead and take our main or senior as well. Man, I wish I could put this in a, oh yeah, we can make it fit here. Put it in here, like that. What if I made this guy bigger? If I made it like that, then I can make this guy bigger. Yep. I don't know, y'all. This looks kind of, sort of crazy messy. Maybe make this guy bigger and put this guy. Oh, okay. So here's a trick. You can move something forward or move to back. Okay, send it back. Nice. And now get this guy here. Wonderful. I don't love this. I don't know, listen on Spotify, this just needs to be smaller. The only reason I had it so big was because I was trying to cover something. Manor Senior is important, but not really, the main reason we want people to really focus on that thing there. Like click on that thing there. If I were to put a cloud back there, I got that cloud there. Have this cloud here coming in, but this cloud here is not big enough, so make it a little bit bigger. I'm liking that. And what you're going to do then, once you have this, looks like perhaps some amazing-ishness here. I'm going to say share. And then you want to download this as a PDF. I'm going to be printing it. So download for printing right here. Say download. And then this guy is going to pop out. And then what I want you to do is to take this guy, you can see it down here kind of at the bottom, and then attach it in Google Classroom, mark as done, and smile and go about your day having made something. Thanks so much for watching. It's Mr. Goetz, Maestro Goetz, Philip Goetz, your host, your coach, your teacher. Thanks for watching my flipped classroom today. Bye-bye.